What do y'all? I'm back with another video, man. Y'all just not tuned into the channel. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video. I do not like the way this hoodie look without the string. All this exposed, it look, I don't know, man, it look weird. But anyway, I'm at Buc-ee's, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to make a pit stop. And shout out to my boy Jay, man. And y'all see my boy Jay. You know what I'm saying? He got that 1,000 horsepower Tesla player right there, but that's a whole nother conversation. But today, man, I'm on the way to Atlanta to pick up the Hawk. And if y'all know me, y'all know who got it. Tim Barth, bar tuning. I done had some stuff done to it. And I had to make a stop at Buc-ee's because I had to get two of those little fellas. So if you know cars, then you will understand why I got those two jugs. And I ain't got to tell you now. You know what I'm saying? So we about to get ready to hit the road, man, and go ahead and get the Tim Barth Enterprise so I can go ahead and pick up Hawkeisha. And hopefully when I get her back, she gonna go from Hawkeisha to Hercules. He sent me a text yesterday and told me what she made on the dyno. And oh man, I can't wait to drop that clip. And y'all guess how much she made, man. But all I'm gonna say is, the greatest, the GOAT, if I may. I'm just gonna hit the camera back on, man, when I get to the shop, man. We about to get on this road, man, but y'all just stay tuned, man. Man, y'all see where we at, bro. We done finally made it to the powerhouse, where the Mopar powerhouse, man. We done made it, bro. There's so many Mopars out there, bro. They got the big TRX sitting right there. That's one TRX. You got another TRX. You got another TRX. Hellcat sitting right there. You got a wide body sitting over there, bro. And, bro, we not even, bro, look. There's so much going on, bro. Y'all see how Keisha sitting over there, man. I'm finna go check out my baby. But first, before we check her out, I need to go in, speak to the man that built the legend, and see what's going on inside the shop, man. So, let's see what's going on. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it, man. Yeah, got a couple projects right here, bro.
I can only imagine.
Ooh. Twins.
They say hi, Mom.
Hello.
I know this is gonna be
Man, oh my God.
I didn't know you do.
Me neither. Ooh.
Because that becomes
How y'all doing? Morning.
What's up, guys?
What's going on, man? You do all right?
Good. How you doing?
All right. I came to pick up that monster you did for me, man. I still got to get set up and everything, though.
Yeah, that's fine.
But everything, how she ride?
Fine.
You took out?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, I don't beat on stuff.
I want you to, just to make sure everything good.
Yeah, I can around here, Forsyth County. Yeah, taking something wide open throttle around here is a good way to go to jail, impounding.
Yeah. Did when you did that transmission rebuild, did that fix that little issue?
I never really felt it, but
Okay.
that will fix it because you have stock clutch settings and stock everything.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, man, shoot, I appreciate it, man. I've been trying to get this done for forever, man. I know we tried the remote thing.
You talked about doing this other upgrade like a year ago.
I know, and you know, it's my son, man. When I had my kid, it was just like a lot of stuff got through in the back burner.
Everything's thrown in the back burner with the kid.
Yeah, but the whole time. Now I was gonna ask what size twins are these. I'm gonna say these 60s. I probably I would be scared to drive something like this. Bro,
Just did his paint job. It was flawless,
bro. Like,
What
what you need them for? Bro, just imagine sitting in the seat of something like this.
You don't.
It'll be feces everywhere. Oh, did you see the back?
Yeah, that's when I walked in.
No. Did you see what's in here?
Yeah, the milk tank and the nine bar.
I'm talking about side by side is crazy.
Complete animal. Nigga talking about racing.
Bruh. This paint job stupid though. Tim, who did the paint job, man?
That's the original block.
No way.
It's not for it. It's the original block.
Valve covers. I wonder if he got his custom cam kit here.
$2,700 to $3,000.
Jesus Christ, did you just say 2,700?
27 to 3,000.
Oh my God, casually.
Like, why? Like, just so casual.
Casually.
He says to stop vlogging that still.
No, it's all good.
You believe that?
No, that's why I was just like, what? Like, just don't make sense. Bro. And that purple with this paint job though, bro.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
It's stupid. I bet they be loud too though.
I'm sure that is.
This, yeah.
That cam sounds nasty.
Shouldn't have sold your Durango.
Yeah, I can start the car up.
I gotta hear this.
Man.
So I just got quoted. Cam from y'all. Probably like a month before y'all put these out.
Sheesh.
Okay.
I was like, damn, man.
Why'd you sell the Durango? Just something different? Or?
It was eating my pockets up for a little while. And then platinum, and you don't have to do anything.
Nah, tell him the real reason. You knew you was gonna have a part addiction, and he knew that he didn't want it.
I mean, I was bringing it out. I already had one.
What this one made?
This is one that made 911.
This, I don't know why I thought it was white. Bruh. And it was like, what, 1,030 or 30 on yeah, on E, yeah. Bruh. Yes, sir.
On pump gas.
Shouldn't have sold your Durango.
Oh my God.
It was
19, wasn't it? 919 on, yeah.
And then 1097 on the E85.
That's crazy, man.
That is insane.
That's crazy. Mopar heaven, man. It's the real Mopar heaven. To the wheels. Yes, bro. To the wheel, man.
Oh, I'm going to get my truck done.
Stock heads, stock short block.
Man. You see, man, they got a bunch of exotics. Got a bunch of exotics over there, but they also got a bunch of nasty stuff over here, man. But, ooh, what's this? Oh my God. This got a big Kenny Bell on it. A big Kenny Bell. Yeah. Hey, did y'all watch this truck?
Mine look like that when I get
Let me get this moved real quick.
All right. We'll go ahead and. I see that, bro. I got to go and do a first start, man, in my new baby. Ooh. Warm up real quick. Man, I missed my truck, bro. And I got to go ahead and put that bar sticker on there, man. I've been stamped. Yes, sir. Let me pop the hood for y'all one time, cause I know y'all trying to see what's going on. I wanna see what's going on. And she on, hold on. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. All right, that's enough for y'all start being nosy. For y'all start being nosy. Hey, man, y'all just stay tuned. Man, it feels so good to be back in the Hawk, man. Y'all. Hey, and she on, man, never mind. I got to do something real quick, man. Hold on, man. Bruh. I miss this sound, bruh. I miss this sound. Slow down for Georgia PD come right here. Man, so look, I done made it to the gas station. I had to come to the gas station. And I'm sure y'all wanna know what for. Y'all seen earlier, I had these two jugs right here. Alright, I had these two jugs right here, man, but this is why. She finally on E85, bro. I finally got the Trackhawk on E85. And let me pop the hood one more time, man. Gonna go ahead. They put me on a full tank, man, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill these two jugs up just to make sure I got some extra to get back to the house. And hey, man, we finna roll out. E85 is $2.51 a gallon. And I just filled both of them jugs up for $28. They already had me on a full tank, man, so can't beat it, man. But I'm finna go meet my partner and we finna head on back.